Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the equities research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights. Whether you are an experienced investor or starting out, this podcast will equip you to take informed decisions. The securities and stocks quoted here are for illustration only and are not recommendatory.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty had a strange session yesterday. Nifty was seen having stability in the opening hours of the trading session. It then picked up momentum and it looked at finally it will see a breakout. It went till 24,354, 345. But things were just not enough. Even Bank Nifty was comfortably trading above 52,600, which was the breakout area we had mentioned that a daily close above 52,600 can lead to a 1,000-point rise in a swift manner. But later on, when the second half started, there was a plunge that was witnessed. There were reports of strikes in energy installations inside Ukraine as per the ministry. And this led to spooking out of investors, at least in Indian markets. So if you witness the US markets, they were not influenced. The US markets were closed yesterday because of Thanksgiving. However, the futures market that was functional, but that did not show any sort of activity based on this particular news flow. And it was only the Indian markets that were really under pressure. Nifty was down 400 points. At one point in time, it closed near the low point of the day with 360 points close in the red. Bank Nifty was also under pressure, though it was not as weak as Nifty. It also closed 400 points lower and also below 52,000. Nifty has now filled the gap when it moved up higher. 400 points in a day after the announcement of Maharashtra election. So 23,900 is going to be the key level to watch out for. This is where we have closed yesterday. If this is sustained, or probably if 23,850 is sustained, we may see a bounce back. Else we may see some more pressure towards 26,600. It may try to reattempt with 200 DMA, which it did so a few days back. I've been saying that the corrections are not yet over. We may still see a bounce back and then the corrections may again start in. Same goes for Bank Nifty. However, Bank Nifty has been more stable. 50,000 is the support area. We are comfortably above that, 4% away from that particular support area. So that can lend some support to Nifty index as well, and it may not crack right away. Also, the market breadth yesterday was not very weak. The advances were slightly more compared to declines. Broader market was stable. It closed flat. There was pressure from higher levels, from higher point. There was correction, not a severe one, but there was some correction. But nevertheless, it closed comfortably and did not witness any major pressure, closing in say 1%, 2% negative. It was completely flat. GIFT Nifty is pointing towards 5 points cut as we speak. So in all likelihood, it opened a flattish note. And till the time we are spending below 24,000, things will be a little bit jittery. The reason being that there was a lot of writing that happened at 24,000 put options yesterday. They were forced to cover their positions. Now 24,000 call options are witnessing decent writing. So more and more time spent below 24,000 will increase the spirits of call writers, and then if you can be subdued. So it's going to be more of a range bound upsides of 24,400 once it closes about 24,000. More downsides once it gives a close below 24,870. So 23,870. FIs yesterday sold 12,000 crores worth in cash. Yes, yesterday was the monthly expiry. Some part of incremental volumes are expected, but 12,000 crores is still on the higher side. Day before we had a very large buy number, but as I said, there was a lot of MSCI flows, and that was one of the reasons why we had such a large number. So overall, they were not that positive, and yesterday was a very big number. So interesting to see how markets pan out going forward. For today, stick to levels. Between Nifty and Bank Nifty, Nifty would look good now because Bank Nifty has seen a failed breakout. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.